I'm bringing you to some awesome locations like this. Whoa, this guy's nearly falling off his rock. Whoa, I'll drop the phone. Tubebuddy rock. I'll edit that bit out, he said. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are from in the whole wide world. Yes, it's your man Pixie out and about again in the beautiful South Yorkshire countryside. Yes, I'm here at Riverlin Valley. When I came here before, I went in the wrong direction. I didn't look at the map. So yes, now I've come down here. I've just taken a photo of that bridge there. Hopefully you can see that. And it looks absolutely awesome. I've got the reflection of the bridge in the water, and I've also done it as a 2-second, let me look at the thing, it's on 2 seconds ISO 100. So yeah, I'm hoping that's going to be coming out all right. The water was moving a little bit, but not too much, but I've done it so there's got no ripples in, and hopefully be able to see the reflection of the bridge. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to see how far I can get. There's a little waterfall there and there. I'm going to try and get some photographs of that. If not, I shall move further down and get hopefully some more decent footage for you. All right then guys, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Alright then guys, I've moved on a little bit further. I found some lovely, a couple of lovely little waterfalls. Yeah, only tiny, but absolutely beautiful. I really need to buy some wellies so I can get right in the middle of the stream, like, you know, so I can get right bang up the middle, and I've already got the little shoes. But never mind. Yeah, there's a little bit of history lesson here for you. It says Upper Coppice Wheel. The first mill was built in 1736 for the Duke of Norfolk. By 1794 there were 9 grinding wheels for shaping cutlery and razors. In 1854 Samuel Fox, who started the Stocksbridge Steelworks, was making wire here. The outlaw of water from the nearby Riverlin Mill ran to Coppice Wheel through a tunnel which can still be seen upstream, and it's run by Riverlin Valley Conservation Group. Sorry, my reading's bad. But yeah, this is the waterfall I'm now going to photograph for you. I'll put them all in at the end of the video, so please stay tuned for that. And there's another one there and one just a bit further down. There's a little, looks like there's a little bridge there. I'll see if I can get the bridge in, but like I said, I haven't got my Wellington, so I need to buy some Wellington boots so I can get knee deep in the old river. But yeah, never mind, we'll see what happens. Actually, I've just spotted a lovely little teeny little trickle waterfall next to the big waterfall. I'll just show it you. Spin you around. It's, well, you can see it's that there, look. Let me point my finger to it there. Lovely little stream, that, or waterfall. I'll try and get that in as well. I'll do the big one, that one, so there's like 4 altogether. I'm going to try and get, possibly 5 that I'm going to try and get. Alright then guys, I'll see you in a minute. Right guys, looks like it's the end of the road for this video because I ain't got my proper boots on. I'm frightened I'm going to fall in that lot. So yeah, I'm going to have to come here, make a day of it, and then get a bit further downstream. I've took more than 4 or 5 photographs of my last location, which is just further up top, and yeah, I think the some of them will come out okay. No, not too bad. I've done them all log exposure for the water effect, so I'm hoping they're going to be okay. If not, oh well, I'll give it a go. It's all the learning process for little Pixie, because like I said before in my previous videos, I'm a total novice at photography. So it's a case of learning as you go, watching tons of YouTube videos, taking advice from people off Facebook. All my friends that are photographers has been doing it a lot longer than me, and yeah, it's just a case of getting better and more practice. I suppose practice makes perfect, doesn't it? Anyway guys, that is it for me. I just noticed as well, I was looking at the analytics today, that 53.5% of people that's not subscribed to our videos have been watching our videos. So it would be great if those guys could at least hit the big red button and say, hello, I'm here to support you. That would be fantastic. It would mean the world to me. My goal for this year is hopefully to reach 3,000 supporters. I'm up to this current time 2,220, which ain't bad. The views could be better. I suppose it's all about the quality of the video, isn't it? So that's my strive for the year, is to get better at videos, better at photography, and keeping you guys entertained. I'm bringing you to some awesome locations like this. Whoa, it says nearly falling off his rock. Whoa, I dropped my phone. Teeny weeny rock. I'll edit that bit out, he said. Oh, look at them mushrooms on this tree. I'll just spin you around. Look at that. How big's that? I wonder if you could eat them for your breakfast. Massive mushrooms. Anyway, that's enough of me rambling on. Like I said, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and also share the video if you can. If you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please do so. That would be absolutely awesome if you want to. If not, no worries. Anyway guys, I'll see you in a bit, and ta-ta for now. Bye. It's all ducks. Loads of them. See if I can zoom in. There you go. Oh, they're on banking, look. All the water over there. Tons on them.